student, hope you are well. Today I'd like to talk about your agriculture studies book, chapter 6, Afforestation, lesson 1 to 4. Topics to be talked about: what is afforestation, cultivation process of jackfruit, cultivation process of mahogany, and cultivation process of bamboo. So first observe the figure. This is the figure and it is known to you. This is the common fruit or national fruit. This is known as jackfruit. This is known as Artocarpus heterophyllus jackfruit. So this is called jack of all traits of nutrition. So it contains all of nutrition, different nutritions it contains, and it also called diverse fruit because every parts of it are usually used by us and as well as others living being. As for example, the external part usually used by the cattle, and the fruits are usually used by us, and the remaining parts, that is the seed, are used as the food for us. So it is so nutritious and delicious also. So look at the picture. This is the jackfruit. Hanging on the fruits, there is fruit trees, jackfruit tree, and below part of it there is a ripened jackfruits. So firstly, I'd like to focus identification of jackfruit. As you know, this is the national fruit. It is very delicious and nutritious. It's bigger than any other fruits. The scientific name of jackfruit is Artocarpus heterophyllus. Breeds or variety. The certified variety of jackfruit is few in Bangladesh. There are only some variety and lines produced at BARI, Bangladesh Agricultural Research Institute. It gives fruits once a year. On the basis of quality of its kernel, jackfruits can be divided into two types. Number one is Khauja jackfruit. Characteristics of it is kernel of this type is hard. Half juicy jackfruit, kernel of this type is hard at its opening and soft at the back. Soft jackfruit, kernel of this type is soft and dissolve quickly when put into mouth. Significance or importance of jackfruit. Jackfruit is tree. This is diversified use. Juicy kernel of a ripe jackfruit is very sweet. There is no match for ripe jackfruit to fulfill the lack of sugar and vitamin. Green jackfruit and jackfruit seeds are used as vegetable. Jackfruit tree is a very high quality timber tree also. Its color is deep yellow. The wood is long lasting and it takes polishing nicely. This wood is used in jackfruit timber and can be used in the making home furniture also. Cultivation procedure or cultivation process, different way to cultivate the jackfruit. To cultivation of jackfruit, first land should be selected, and the jackfruit, this fruit cannot tolerate the water stagnancy condition. So this is all about jackfruit. Now I would like to focus the another tree. Look at the picture. This is the tree, mahogany tree. So these are the below part of it. There are fruits of mahogany, and the mahogany is used as a timber producing tree. So look at, this is the jackfruit. You called it forest covered by mahogany. Identification of mahogany. The original abode or source of mahogany is Jamaica and Central America. Two names are available as the species of mahogany. Of them, Swietenia macrophylla species is leading in Bangladesh. Mahogany is abundantly available in districts of Jashore, Khulna, Chittagong, and Chittagong hill tracts. It is dicotyledonous timber tree. The trunk of this tree is long, hard, and brown color. Its leaves are compound. Flowers are greenish white. Fruits are brown color, oval shaped, and bigger in size. All the leaves fall off the tree in winter, and this is why it is called deciduous tree. The trees that falls its leaves at the winter period or season. This is known as deciduous trees. On contrast, opposite of deciduous will be green tree. That means the tree which usually bears its leaves all the year round. This is known as evergreen tree. Sapling produced from seeds are mainly planted for mahogany. Seeds are sown in the seedbed of the nursery after they are collected between March and April. Mahogany seedlings are planted starting from the month of June till August. This tree grows well in high and mid highland. This is familiar as a high quality timber producing tree. There is a great demand of the timber of this tree in making doors and windows of the houses and furniture. Fiber of this timber is very fine and its color is blackish. It receives polishing very nicely. Cultivation process, different way it may be cultivated as per seed selection and plantation, seed collection and plantation, soil preparation. After application of fertilizer, there are a lot of nourishment. Importance of mahogany tree. You already informed the importance of mahogany. That means as is the timber producing tree. So the famous tree, this is the large body, is often used as a timber. Like other plants, this sturdy tree also bears flowers, fruits, seeds to multiply. There are many benefits of mahogany seeds as well. The timber of it for the health of our bodies, and this is what we will discuss or talk about the importance of mahogany tree. Let's go. Mahogany is a large tree with a height reaching 35 to 40 meter height. The diameter of the wooden trunk reaches 125 centimeter. The tree has a cylindrical rod and it is straight almost. The outer skin is blackish brown while still young. The skin is grayish and smooth. Newly planted mahogany will flower approximately at the age of 7 years. This plant originated from the West Indies, can grow in the brackish sand near the coast area. Mahogany tree, this is the Swietenia macrophylla, grow in most Asian countries. Not only the properties of mahogany seeds are very useful for our health, but also used for various purposes of textile, also make cabinets, chair, table, various beautiful materials or utensils usually prepared from mahogany. In almost all countries where mahogany grows well, mahogany seeds are commonly used as herbal remedies that help to improve blood circulation, treatment of diabetes, cure impotence. Although scientific evidence that confirm its efficiency as a herbal remedies, many people who claim to have felt that efficiency of these seeds is very useful for curing the different disease. There are at least 3 active ingredients in the seeds of mahogany that are beneficial to our health: flavonoids, saponins, alkaloids. These are the materials that contain the mahogany seeds. Later we'll go the another tree. You may call it tree because this is called poor man's wood. Look at the picture. You easily may identify this is the tree also. This is known as bamboo. This is bamboo, which is called the poor man's wood. In the rural area, or a village area, this is used as a construction materials to prepare the households of the poor men's or rural area. So this is known as bamboo. So let's go. What about the bamboo? So these also are bamboo figures. There are over 1,000 species of bamboo. This amazing plant grows in tropical and temperate environments, is very hardy, not needing pesticides or herbicides to grow well of it. It is a type of grass also. This is the big grass and grows from its root. When it is cut, it quickly grows back with most species maturing in 3 to 5 days. Bamboo is known as building material. It is an indispensable material in building the hut of the poor or constructing the high-rising mansion. Bamboo is cultivated everywhere in our country. It is usually cultivated from mutha or rhizome. It is grown from the seeds also. Bamboo generally grows 5 to 7 meter tall. It is very strong. Tender bamboo is green and the matured bamboo is of biscuit color. The thin offset of bamboo are known as konsi. Bamboo leaf is thin and longish. Flower and seeds grow in bamboo tree once in 100 years. So when it raise seeds, it takes 100 years. Bamboo bush is grown naturally too. Importance or significance of bamboo. This is called the timber of poor men. In the rural economy, bamboo plays a great role. In a rustic setting, the use of bamboo from homemaking to all other affairs of everyday use is very common. The bamboo is the principal raw material in the rural cottage industry. Making baskets, winnower, polo, hat, etc. are also made from bamboo. To cross over the canals in the village, a bamboo-made bridge is usually observed. Flute made of bamboo is the musical instrument of the village today. Cultivation process. Usually, bamboo may be cultivated or propagated three ways. Number one, bamboo cultivation from motha or offset. Number two, pre-root twig grafting, and number three, node grafting. So through these, the bamboo may be cultivated. A bamboo takes 3 years to be matured. For this reason, 3 years old bamboos should be collected from bamboo clump. Bamboo should never be cut during bamboo planting time. Besides, it is not wise to cut all matured bamboo from the bamboo clump at a time. The uses of bamboo. As this has a diverse use, so firstly it may prepare or used as house holds materials. According to UNESCO, 70 hectares of bamboo produces enough material to build thousands houses. If timber was used instead, it would require the felling of trees from an already diminishing forest. Today, over the billion people in the world live in the bamboo houses to construct the roads, bridges. It is being used in the road preparation and is also used to prepare the bridge and capable of supporting trunks that weigh as much as 16 tons. Usually, this is used as a medicine. In China, they used the different medicine from trees, that means the bamboo. Ingredients from the black bamboo should help the treat kidney disease. Roots and leaves have also been used to treat venereal disease and cancer. According to the reports in a small village in the Indonesia, water from Kam, that the side branches is used to treat the disease of the bone effectively. Cloths. Sometimes the bamboo external parts used as a cloths. It can be made into a strong and durable fabric, bit like canvas, and can be made into all sorts of the cloths. Additionally, bamboo fabric is breathable, thermal regulating, weak moisture better than polyester. Performance fabric will resist dough and is absorbent and fast drying, keeping you drier and more comfortable than any cotton or polyester fabrics. It used as a fuel in the rural area. You'll observe the bamboo sticks may be used as a fuel purpose in order to cooking rice and others. Charcoal made from this amazing plant has been used for centuries as cooking fuel in China and Japan. The bamboo vinegar or pyroligneous acid is extracted when making charcoal and is used for hundreds of treatments in almost all fields. This liquid contains 400 different chemical compounds and can be applied for many purposes including cosmetics, insecticides, deodorants, food processing, and in other purposes. It is grown without pesticides and chemical fertilizers. It doesn't require any irrigation. It rarely needs replanting. It grows rapidly and can be harvested within 3 to 5 years. It produces 35% more oxygen than an equivalent stand of trees. So, it provides more oxygen compared to other trees. It also it is a critical element in the balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. It is an excellent soil erosion inhibitor. You know it enhances to soil erosion. It grows in a wide range of the environments. Its production into fibers has lower environment impact than other forms of fiber, especially synthetic. So this is all about the cultivation process of bamboo. Thank you very much.